Hi friend, this is Manoj Hemne, Assistant Professor and Head Department of English, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Art, Commerce and Science College, Surtoli Lohara, Tahsil Devri, District, Gondia. Please follow me on the YouTube channel and subscribe the channel to get daily notification about the lecture. In the last video, we have discussed about the introduction of the writer Rabindranath Tagore as well as just beginning story of Kabuliwala we have discussed in the last video. In this video we will discuss about the remaining story of the lesson Kabuliwala, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. In the last video we have discussed how is the relationship and the bonding between Kabuliwala and 5 years old Minnie. How the first encounter of Kabuliwala to Minnie and how the relationship and the bonding between two how it's growing day to day we have explained, we have seen in the last video. Okay, now a few days after the Kabuliwala's first appearance, the narrator walks out of the house and sees. At the first meeting, Minnie was afraid of the Kabuliwala because she thought that the Kabuliwala kept the children in his bags, and that's why when she saw him she was totally frightened, so totally fear of him, and that's why she ran away from veranda to the another part of the house. But subsequently and after some days, one day when the narrator walks out of his house, he sees that Minnie sitting and talking with the Kabuliwala. He was astonished. He was wonder how Minnie is sitting and talking to him because she was frightened. Kabuliwala, she was frightened from Kabuliwala, and that's why her father was astonished, wonder about their meeting and their communication, the communication between the both, who is seemingly very happy to listen to her. And when the narrator saw they are the Kabuliwala and Minnie were happily talk to each other, and the Kabuliwala very patiently listened to her and tries to make himself understood in his hybrid sort of Bengali, and the Kabuliwala trying to understand the language of Minnie and the language of Bengali, the Bengali language of Minnie, because that is mixture of Bengali and Hindi, and he trying to understand the bit language of Minnie. ते जो काबुलीवाला होता तो काय मिनीची भाषा समजण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो बिकॉज शी वॉज बेंगॉली अँड शी स्पीक्स इन बेंगॉली लँग्वेज and he was from Afghanistan. That's why he totally cannot understand the Bengali language, but he trying to understand the language. The narrator notes that narratorला काय दिसत असतं तिच्या वडिलाला. The narrator notes that beside himself, Minnie has never found so patient a listener at that time. Minnie has a patience listener. तिला एक लिस्नर मिळाला होता जो एकदम पेशन्सली तिचं बोलणं ऐकून घेत होता. बिफोर तिचं कोणीच ऐकून घेत नव्हता, बिकॉज शी वॉज continuously talking on chattering, and that's why no one can listen her, no one listens her in the house. And at the first time, in the first time, she found a listener who listens her patiently, and that is काबुलीवाला. हे बघून तिच्या वडिलाला आश्चर्य वाटत असतं. द नरेटर आल्सो नोटीस दॅट. पुन्हा त्याला काय दिसत असतं बघा. मिनी इज होल्डिंग अ पील ऑफ नट्स अँड रेसिन्स. काय मिनीच्या हातामध्ये काय असतं? ही नोटीस दॅट मिनी इज होल्डिंग, मिनी होल्ड्स अ पाइल्स ऑफ नट्स. काही ड्रायफ्रुट्स तिच्या हातामध्ये त्याला दिसतात, रेशीन दिसत असतं. सो ही टेल्स काबुलीवाला, आणि त्यामुळे तो काबुलीवाला काय म्हणत असतं? नॉट टू गिव्ह हर एनी मोर. तिला आणखी काही देऊ नकोस. अँड गिव्स हिम हाफ रुपीज, अँड हर फादर गिव्स काबुलीवाला half rupees for what he has already given her before leaving. काय त्यानं जे काही दिलं होतं तिला त्या बदल्यात म्हणून काय तो त्याला हाफ रुपीज देत असतं. बट आफ्टर गोईंग नरेटर द काबुलीवाला the money which is given by the narrator, the काबुलीवाला gives to Minnie. कारण त्यांना जे पैसे दिलं असतं ते पैसे तो त्या मिनीला देत असतं. आफ्टर लेटर सम टाइम, when the narrator gets back home, his wife is in the middle of scolding Minnie for somehow getting her hands on a half rupees. But when the narrator gets back, and when Minnie's father get back home, when he returned home, his wife is in the middle of scolding Minnie, and the mother of Minnie scolding to her, and all that incidents, all that pictures, the narrator looks and somehow getting her hands on the half rupee, and he sees that the half rupee what the narrator gives to the kabuliwala, that rupee is seen in the hand of Minnie. Minnie explained that the kabuliwala gave it to her, and she was trying to tell her mother and father that the rupees, that the note of rupee is given to her by kabuliwala, and the girl's mother is upset with her for accepting it. But her mother was telling her that why are you accepting, why had you accepted it from him, त्याच्याकडून तू का घेतलं, अशा प्रकारचे ती म्हणत असतं. बट तिची आई तिच्यावर खूप ओरडत असते, तू हे पैसे का घेतलं. द नरेटर रेस्क्यूज मिनी फ्रॉम हर मदर्स रॅथ, आणि तिचे जे वडील असतं द नरेटर रेस्क्यू मिनी फ्रॉम द स्कॉल्डिंग फ्रॉम द रॅथ, द रागापासून, तिच्या आईच्या रागापासून तो तिचं वडील नरेटर तिला वाचवण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असतं. अँड ब्रिंग हर आउटसाइड टू टॉक, अँड he brings Minnie outside to talk with her about the kabuliwala. He learns that the kabuliwala has been coming to the house almost every day, and the narrator learns when he talks to Minnie, she tells her that kabuliwala comes regularly in their house almost every day, having own Minnie's regards. आणि काय त्यानं मिनीचं जे मन आहे ते मन जिंकलेलं होतं. हॅव्हिंग ओन मिनीज रिगार्ड्स विथ द प्रेझेंट ऑफ पिस्टॅशिओ, अँड कशामुळे ही कंटिन्युअसली ही डेली गिव्स टू हर सम dry fruits, and by giving her the bribe of dry fruits or raisin nuts, all these things, he overcome the fear of मिनी. आणि मिनीच्या मनामध्ये जी भीती होती काबुलीवाल्याची, ती भीती दूर करण्यासाठी तो कंटिन्युअसली रेग्युलरली त्यांच्या घरी येत असायचा आणि तिला काही ड्रायफ्रुट्स देत असायचं, आणि त्यामुळे तिच्या मनातील जी भीती होती ती भीती आता दूर झालेली होती. दे हॅव बिकम सो क्लोज दॅट they have inside jokes and narrator come to enjoy seeing them laugh together, and because of they are sitting together, Minnie and the Kabuliwala, there is a bonding or affection between them continuously become so close, they becomes close that they have inside jokes and they talk to each other and telling jokes to one another, and the narrator come to enjoy and seeing them laugh together, and the father of Minnie, the narrator, comes to enjoy the laughter between them. त्यांच्या मधातलं जे लाफ्टर होतं, जे हसी मजाक होतं, ते बघण्यासाठी म्हणून रायटर तिथे येत असायचं आणि त्यांना बघत असायचं. वन ऑफ द जोक्स बिटवीन मिनी अँड द काबुलीवाला वॉज, त्यांच्या मधामध्ये जे जोक्स होत असायचे त्यामधलं जोक्स एक सांगितलेलं आहे, काय बघा. वन ऑफ द जोक्स बिटवीन मिनी अँड द काबुलीवाला हुज नेम इज रहमान. काय यामध्ये रहमानचं जे जोक्स होतं ते जोक्स इन्व्हॉल्व हर eventually having to leave to go to her ससुर family. And what was the joke? They were joking about the father-in-laws. He telling her, when are you going to your father-in-law's house? When will you go to father-in-law's house? And there is a meaning of father-in-law's house. There is a two meaning of father-in-laws. The narrator notes that while most Bengali girls Minnie's age would know what this means, and in the Bengali girls, according to Bengali girls, what is the meaning of the father-in-laws, and the girls of Minnie's age know that what is the means of the father-in-laws, because in Bengal there is a tradition of marriage of the girls in the very little age. Minnie does not, because her parents are progressive people, and Minnie doesn't know what is the meaning of father-in-laws, because her parents are some educated people, and that's why she doesn't know what is the meaning of father-in-laws, and thus have not talked much about her future marriage, because her father and her parents never talked about her future marriage. In her ignorance, Minnie always respond to Rahman by asking him if he is going to his father-in-laws. And because of the ignorance about the father-in-laws, Minnie always ask Kabuliwala whether he is going to father-in-law's house. नेहमी त्याला ती विचारत असायची, तू फादर इन लॉज कडे चाललाय का? And he always seeks a first at an imaginary father-in-law and make a jokes. And he always seeks a feast. आणि तो काय नेहमी तो feast त्याची दाखवत असायचा. And at the imaginary father-in-law, इमॅजिन मध्ये फादर इन लॉ त्याच्या डोळ्यासमोर आणून तो त्यांना फेस, तो नेहमी म्हणायचा, मी त्या फादर इन लॉ सासऱ्याला माझ्या काय चांगला मुक्क्यानं मारणार. अँड मेक अ जोक्स. हिअर The narrator, the writer, telling you that there is a two meaning of the word father-in-law. The first meaning is that the regular meaning, the father-in-law means the सासरा ज्याला म्हणतो आपण, and the another meaning is father-in-law means the jail, the imprison, prison, and that's why he always, the Kabuliwala always answer meaning that he was thrashing the father-in-law. Many laughed at his, आणि असं म्हटल्याबरोबर ती खूप हसायची. इमॅजिन दॅट द फेट ऑफ दिस अननोन क्रिएचर कॉल्ड द ससूर. काय जो अननोन क्रिएचर यामध्ये निर्माण केल्या गेलं होतं ते पाहून ती खूप हसत असायची. दिस इज अबाउट द jokes they continuously and regularly talked on which. Okay, the another part of the story we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.